We have the true wireless earbuds from Tagry, the X08. Let's check them out and see how they perform. True wireless earbuds Tagry, model number X08. Wireless charging, LED power display, portable charging case. We have a user's manual, USB-A to USB-C charging cable. We have the wireless earbuds case with the LED charge level indicator on the front, as you can see. So right now, the audio that we're listening to right now is coming from this little tiny wireless lavalier microphone, the Booyah Magic. Now, if you like the way this audio sounds, leave a comment down below and let me know if you like the way the audio sounds coming out of this microphone. Let's clear that off of there. And we are now sitting at 100% charge on the case right out of the box. That's how it looks with the case open. Oh, wait, we have one more display protector to pull off. Let's pull that off. There we go. So the earbuds fit nicely inside the case. No issues there. They do slide in and pop right into place. Rather easy. Really super duper easy installation into the case. The earbuds themselves are not labeled left and right, but they can only go into the case in one orientation, so you can't really mess it up. If it doesn't fit, try putting it on the other side and you should have the correct orientation. We do a giveaway on almost every product that we review. All you have to do is to share the video, like the video, comment on the video, and make sure you subscribe as well. And that's all you need to do to enter to win product that we are reviewing right now. That's it. So the only thing left now is for me to try these out and give you my opinions on the way they sound. Let's pair it with the device. Oh, that's one thing. All right, so one thing to take note, these things do not stand up like that by itself. It can, but it's very easy to tip over. They are pretty much designed to sit on its backside like so. Let's check out the wireless charging function. So let's check out the wireless charging function on these headphones. We're going to turn on the wireless power share on my Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I can simply put the earbuds onto the back of my device like so, and it will charge whatever device I put on top of it. It can be another cell phone, it can be earbuds. So let's try it out and see if the wireless charging function works properly on these wireless earbuds. You ready to charge? Okay. And it is charging. I'm gonna have to show you because I don't know if I can tilt the camera. Let me lift the camera up and I'll show you that it is charging. So if you take a look at the LED indicator on the right side, that number 87 is flashing. That's the indicator letting you know that the wireless charging is taking effect, or the case is actually charging. Now, if we lift it up away from the device, the wireless charging pad, you will see that that number goes back to solid, which indicates that it is only charging the headphones. You see the two bars at the bottom that are going up and down from 1 to 4 bars. That's indicating that the charging for the earbuds inside the case is taking place. But if we put this back onto the cell phone, we'll hear a vibration from the cell phone, and we'll also see, let's put that in the correct position. So we'll also see that that number on the second, that 7, also starts to flash, indicating that the case is actually being charged. So wireless charging, absolutely, this does have wireless charging on this case, which is fantastic. So let's go ahead and pair this with my device. This is the left. We have a blue and red LED indicator flashing, showing that it is ready to pair. We'll put the left one in, and we'll do the same thing for the right one. Let's see if the right one has the same LED indicator. So the LED indicator is only on the left earbud. If you take a look at both earbuds, only one earbud is flashing, indicating that we are ready to pair. So let's go ahead and pair the wireless earbuds. Pops up real quick. That's X08. No fuss, no fight. Real easy. Pairing. Looks like it's done. Giving us a request to pair. So we'll go ahead and accept that request to pair. You will hear an audible sound inside the headphones saying that it's connected, and we are connected. So let's go ahead and listen to some music and see how these headphones sound. Or earbuds, I should say. Yeah, it sounds good. My eyes are open wide. And by the way, I made it through the day. And by the way, I made it through to, yeah, it sounds clean, it sounds clear, sounds crisp. Ooh, very loud, very, very loud. No issues with volume at all. No issues with clarity. The clarity is fantastic. The bass is fantastic. Let's see what features these earbuds have. Alright, so real quick, some of the features that we have. Answer/end calls, double tap on either earbud. Right there, you can see that. on the instruction manual. That's standard fare for pretty much any earbud. Double tap to answer a call, end a call, pause some audio, play some audio. Reject calls, long tap on either earbud for 2 seconds to reject a phone call. Let's see, play/pause music. Tap once on either earbud. Okay, so play/pause music is just a single tap. Volume up, long tap on each earbud. I'm sorry. So to turn the volume up, long tap on the right earbud. Turn the volume down, long tap on the left earbud. Next track or previous track, next/previous track, double tap on the left earbud. Next track, double tap on the right earbud. And that's pretty much it. Those are all of the shortcuts. So here's a screenshot. Here's a visual of those shortcuts here. And here's a visual of these shortcuts on this side of the instruction manual. Close-up look of the earbuds. You guys, I'm sure, want to see what these earbuds actually look like up close. So here we are, up close image of the earbuds. They do actually fit in my ear quite nicely. We have the 2 charging pins at the bottom. You can see those there. We have the LED indicator light on this particular earbud, which I believe is the left earbud. That is the only one that has the LED indicator. And it is flashing red and blue because it is automatically in pairing mode as soon as you take them out of the case, and it is ready to pair. And if you want to pair with a different device, all you'd have to do is turn your Bluetooth off on your current device that these are paired to, and then you will be ready to pair with a new device. Same thing with this earbud here, but this earbud, the right side earbud, does not appear to have an LED indicator inside, indicating that it is ready to charge or any status of any kind on that indicator because it doesn't have one. So that's pretty much it. I hope this review was helpful. I hope it helped you make a decision about purchasing these wireless earbuds. I'll catch you guys on the next review. Peace.